So let's talk about what makes a good t-shirt graphic. Number one is I think your t-shirt needs to be wearable. Now this is the one thing that makes t-shirt design different than other kinds of graphic design. So it really depends on your customer, but it needs to be something that they feel comfortable and good about wearing. And this also ties in with identity, which is very important for t-shirts. So when somebody puts on a t-shirt, more than a lot of other things, it represents their identity. So if you're into rock climbing or music or gardening or playing sports, people will buy a t-shirt based on that identity. It's almost like, hey, I'm a member of this community, and you need to be very aware of the likes and dislikes of your demographic. The other thing is color. You need to pay attention to what colors look good. Fashion trends and colors change all the time, so you need to stay up and aware on that. The other thing with t-shirt design is you need to think about composition. So if you think about most t-shirt graphics, they're self-contained graphics. So it might be like a center chest, or it might be a pocket hit, or it might be a back hit, or a little side hit, or something like that. But unless the graphic goes off of the t-shirt, it's a self-contained piece. So composition is very important. The overall shape, the weight of letters, or the look of a photograph. Now, if you're trying to get a message across, readability is also very important. So in most cases, you want your type or your lettering to be very readable. And there's a lot of things that go into readability, but mainly it's letter forms and also color of the ink on the t-shirt.